Before it ever touches the desert, this machine is born inside a factory built for pure endurance.
From raw material to real-world performance, this is factory to feel.
Like the video, share it, and subscribe for more powerful sports manufacturing stories. Every Baja motorcycle starts as raw steel tubing, welded piece by piece into something built for punishment. This single-cylinder engine is the heart of the beast, built to run flat out for 500 brutal miles. Long travel forks get bolted in, engineered to absorb impacts that would destroy an ordinary motorcycle instantly. A reinforced skid plate protects the engine underneath, because rocks and debris are waiting out there in the desert. These knobby tires aren't for the street. They're built to grip sand, rock, and everything in between. An oversized fuel tank gets mounted next, because this bike needs to run for miles without stopping. A fresh coat of matte red and white gives this bike its identity before it ever touches the desert. Number 19 gets applied by hand, marking this machine as ready for 500 miles of chaos. Extra LED lights go on next, because this bike will race through total darkness just as often as daylight. Every bolt, every weld, every system gets checked twice before this bike earns the right to race. The doors finally open, and this Baja machine steps into the light, ready for 500 brutal miles. One press of the starter and this engine roars to life, ready for hours of relentless punishment ahead. One twist of the throttle and raw power surges instantly. This engine built for explosive desert acceleration. Before it ever touches sand, engineers push this engine to its absolute limit right here on the dyno. Watch these forks compress and extend fully, absorbing impact that would destroy a normal motorcycle instantly. Heat radiates off the exhaust pipe with every hard throttle burst, proof of the power inside this machine. This chain takes brutal punishment mile after mile, delivering raw power straight to the rear wheel. Desert heat and engine heat combine into a serious problem, so serious cooling keeps this bike alive. After a hard stop, this brake rotor glows red hot, proof of the punishment it absorbs every single mile. Every switch on these handlebars has a purpose, giving the rider total control across 500 miles. This oversized tank gets filled to the brim, fuel for the long brutal distance still waiting ahead. Before facing real desert terrain, this bike proves itself here first, launching hard off the dirt test track. On the straight, this machine hits speeds that would terrify most riders, built for stability at full throttle. Watch it lean hard through this corner, tires gripping as the suspension holds everything perfectly balanced. Hard braking pushes every component to its limit, testing whether this bike can stop as hard as it goes. Every bump gets absorbed instantly, front forks flexing to keep this bike planted and fully controlled. Behind the scenes, engineers study every second of data, fine-tuning this bike before real desert terrain. From above, you can see just how much ground this bike covers, pushing limits lap after relentless lap. From the rider's view, every vibration tells a story, feeling exactly what this machine is fighting through. Even in total darkness, this bike gets pushed to its limits, proving it can perform when visibility disappears. Testing complete, dust settling around it, this machine has proven it's ready for 500 real miles. Stage 1 begins here. Jagged rocky terrain stretching toward distant mountains. One mistake ending everything instantly. The moment it launches, dust and stones fly behind the rear tire, this bike already fighting for grip. The skid plate slams against a jagged rock, sparks flying briefly before this bike powers straight through. Standing on the pegs, this rider absorbs every rocky impact through bent knees, staying loose over the chaos. Weaving carefully between massive boulders, this bike threads a path through terrain that would destroy careless riders. Watch these forks compress hard as the front wheel slams straight into a jagged, unforgiving rock. Behind those goggles, total focus, this rider navigating a dangerous rocky path with absolute precision. From above, you can see this bike weaving through an endless field of scattered dangerous boulders. For a terrifying second, it wobbles dangerously over loose rocks, before this rider somehow regains full control. Climbing a steep rocky incline, the rear tire kicks up loose stones with every single powerful rotation. Look closer and you'll see exactly how these knobby tires grip jagged rock, scattering stones with every turn. Riding through a rocky canyon under intense heat, dust hangs thick in the completely still desert air. Descending a steep rocky slope, this rider stands and shifts body weight to keep the bike under control. Underneath, the skid plate scrapes across jagged rock, sparks occasionally flying but never slowing this bike down. Stage 1 complete. This bike clearing the final rocky section and powering onto smoother open ground. Stage 2 begins here, soft shifting sand stretching between towering canyon walls on either side. The moment it launches into soft sand, the rear tire spins hard, spraying sand in every direction. Watch this rear tire spin desperately in loose sand, fighting constantly just to find any traction at all. Sliding sideways through soft sand. This rider countersteers instinctively to keep the bike perfectly balanced. Behind it, a tall rooster tail of sand erupts, this bike tearing across the open wash at full speed. Racing along the sandy wash, towering canyon walls rise on either side, dwarfing this tiny racing machine. Standing on the pegs, this rider shifts body weight constantly to control the bike through unstable shifting sand. Bouncing rapidly over small sand whoops, the front fork pumps hard with every single relentless hit. From the rider's view, dust billows up everywhere as this bike powers straight through the sandy wash. From above, you can see this bike tearing through the winding wash, a long dust trail following behind. For a moment, the rear wheel digs in helplessly, until raw power finally drags this bike free again. Sand sprays violently across the rider's goggles and jersey as this bike powers through a soft, unstable section. Sprinting flat out across a wide-open stretch of sand, this bike hits full speed under blazing sun. It catches air off a small sand mound, suspension compressing hard the instant it slams back down. Stage 2 complete. This bike exiting the sand wash as sand sprays behind it onto firmer ground. Stage 3 begins as darkness falls, auxiliary LED lights illuminating the dusty trail stretching out ahead. Launching straight into darkness, LED lights cut a bright glowing path through the pitch-black desert night. These LED lights carve a glowing trail through the darkness, the only light for miles in any direction. Navigating rocky terrain at night, LED lights reveal obstacles just moments before this bike hits them. Behind that visor, tired eyes, fatigue finally setting in after hundreds of brutal miles already ridden. Riding beneath an endless star-filled sky, LED lights the only illumination for miles across this empty desert. These LED lights glow eerily through a thick cloud of dust kicked up somewhere in the total darkness. Breath visible in the freezing night air, this rider pushes forward through the cold desert darkness. A pit crew refuels this bike quickly under portable lights, the rider staying mounted the entire time. From above, a single glowing point of light moves slowly across an enormous, completely dark desert. Powering through a sandy section at night, LED lights bounce wildly off swirling clouds of dust. Gripping the handlebars tightly, this rider pushes through the final grueling miles as exhaustion finally peaks. The first light of dawn begins to break over the horizon after an entire night of racing. Approaching the finish line as early morning light finally illuminates the dusty desert trail ahead. Stage 3 complete. This bike crossing out as the sun rises, dust settling behind an exhausted machine. The checkered flag comes into view, this bike closing in on the finish after 500 brutal miles. It crosses the finish line at full speed, dust trailing behind after everything it just survived out there. The crowd erupts as this dust-covered machine finally rolls across the finish line after an incredible race. Still seated on the bike, this rider raises a fist in celebration, relief flooding through after the finish. Every scratch, every layer of dust and grime tells the story of 500 brutal desert miles. The pit crew runs out cheering, celebrating a machine that survived rocks, sand, and total darkness. This rider stands on a small podium, holding a trophy earned through 500 miles of pure grit. Finally removing the helmet at the finish line, this rider looks exhausted but unmistakably proud of the finish. As the sun rises behind it, this bike sits silently, having survived a distance most machines never could. A mechanic runs a hand along the battered skid plate, nodding in approval at just how well it held up. This engine ticks quietly as it cools down, heat slowly fading after hundreds of miles of racing. Under garage spotlights, this dust and dirt covered bike finally gets to rest after an incredible day. Built for punishment, tested through rock, sand, and darkness, this bike proved exactly what it was built to survive.